So good day everyone, how are you doing? I trust you are all doing well. So this is Coach Icon, your crypto coach from Nigeria. So today I'll be showing us video on how we can turn our CPL inside SuperX crypto exchange into USDT. Yeah, then how we are going to withdraw that USDT into either our Binance or Bybit. So first thing you have to make sure you do is just that if you are going to withdraw into your Binance, just go into your Binance or Bybit first, anyone. I'm using Bybit as an example here. So I just entered my Bybit. So this is my Bybit. So you can either click on deposit on the top here. It's either the road deposit or add fund, any of the two, or you click on the asset at the bottom here. So if you click on asset at the bottom here, can we see? So can we see we now have this deposit button again? That is, I want to deposit USDT inside Bybit. Don't forget, I cannot deposit CPL directly from SuperX exchange to Bybit or Binance yet because CPL has not been listed yet on Bybit or Binance. So that's why I'm converting that CPL into USDT first inside SuperX. Then I withdraw that USDT into Bybit. So now click on, I've clicked on deposit, then you click on deposit crypto. It's just like the same way in Binance too. Click on deposit crypto. Can you see? Then you search for USDT. USDT. Can you see USDT? So we will drawing via USDT TRC20 network. That is, you are going to select TRC20 network when you choose USDT. Can you see? So this is my Bybit USDT TRC20 network address. I copied it. Then I go back to my SuperX. So this is my SuperX crypto. This is my SuperX crypto exchange. So for the sake of those people that doesn't know how to convert CPL into USDT here on this SuperX, so first thing you have to do is that you have to make sure you come to the trade section at the bottom of your SuperX dashboard. Click on it. The one you click on it, make sure this page is showing you spot at the top. Can you see my own is on the spot already? So then you click on this particular area where they wrote CPL USDT. Your might be showing BTC USDT. Just click on this area. Can you see? Then you search for CPL. Can you see CPL? Then CPL USDT. Have you seen it? Then you click on it. So I want to convert my CPL that was already on this platform. I want to convert it to USDT first. So now, can you see that it's now showing me CPL/USDT? So don't forget, I want to sell CPL to USDT. So what you have to do first is make sure you change from this buying, change it to sell first, because we are selling CPL to USDT. Have you seen? So I'm now on sell. Then make sure this area, make sure it's on market. Your might be showing limit like this one. Make sure you click in on, make sure you change it to market. That is market order. So limit might be a little bit slower in processing transactions sometimes. While market is always very fast. So now if you are choosing market, don't forget it's only for you selling CPL to USDT. I'm not talking about other coins though. I'm not only talking this case. In case of selling CPL to USDT to get processed very fast. That's why I said you should choose market here. So now can you see this amount CPL? Then let me say you are having 1000 CPL in your balance here that you want to change to USDT. Then you input all the 1000. You input 1000 on this section, on this particular section. I cannot input it right now because I don't have up to 1000 CPL in this exchange. So you just input 1000. So that 1000 CPL or any amount of CPL you inputted will give you the USDT equivalent here. Then you now click on sell. So the moment you click on sell, the CPL will change back to USDT immediate, within 1 second. So after you've done that, you now come back to the asset here. Come back to the asset. So then you click on withdraw. Don't forget, we want to withdraw USDT now because we've already converted our CPL to USDT. Then you see, you click on the USDT. So let's say you're having 400 USDT as an instance. So the TRC20 USDT address I copy from my Bybit or Binance, I will paste it here at the top. Can we see? Then you make sure you select this network and set it to TRC20 network because that's the network we used to copy from Bybit. Can you see? You confirm it. Then you enter the amount of USDT. If your own is 500 USDT, just input 500 or input max, anyone. click on max or anyone, or input the 500. If you want use 1000 USDT, input 1000 USDT. Then you click on withdraw. So the moment you click on withdraw, is either they will ask you to verify your withdrawal password or your fingerprint, anyone, or your Google Authenticator. So, and don't forget, any amount of USDT you withdraw from this platform under TRC20 network, they are going to charge you 1 USDT fee. So which means if you withdraw 500 USDT, you'll be receiving 499 USDT in your Bybit or Binance. If you withdraw 501 USDT, you will be receiving 500 USDT in your Binance or Bybit, which means they've already deducted their own $1 USDT fee. So thank you very much. That's how to that's how to convert your CPL to USDT in here, and then withdraw it to your Bybit or Binance or any other crypto exchange you want. So thank you very much. See you on my next video.